Hi everyone, City here. Today we have a Garland double convectional oven. We turned it on and we saw that the lights doesn't come on, so we replaced the bulbs. As you can see, they are new and still nothing. I came here to the electrical wires and they did some testing here with my voltmeter, and really didn't do anything. I knew that I had the power here, 120 volt, so I knew that there's something wrong with the wires here, or in the back where the connections with the sockets, that where the with the lamp sockets, that's where the problem is, I think. So for that reason we will have to remove this panel, or the cover body side, this one. As you can see, we will have to access here, because this is where the lights, the light sockets are. So we will have to remove this, and to be able to do so we will have to remove, we have one screw here inside, so we will have to move this front panel, and we have another 3 screws here. So to do so we will have to start from here. We have 4 screws for the have to push it a little bit like this with your, and just you're pulling this panel and you put it somewhere safe. Then we have to close the door to be able to get to this screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the very back, there's one already here, we took it off, and there's one here. Good. Then we will have to pull the panel like this and to lift it. Be careful, because it has insulation in the bottom. Here it is. We'll just put it here. One of the door trims is here. We will have to put it back. Then you have to pull the insulation just nicely. Don't damage it. It's very easy. Then we have the access. You see where the problem is? The problem is the connections are burned, so we will have to replace these connections. And to be able to do so, we will have to pull the body outside like this. As you can see, they are all burned out, so we will have to replace them. As you can see, they are burned. Because of the heat, so we'll have to replace them. As you can see here, we will have to trim these and to make them a little better, to look new again, and we'll come back. Now that we have our wires ready, clean, we'll put them back. We checked also the socket, the ceramic lamp socket or socket lamps, and they are still in good condition, so we'll have to place in back the wires and tighten the screws. We will do the same for the next one. The next one for the next lamp. This is how we try to find a solution for these lamps, and thank you for watching. Please, if you have any comments, leave them in, and we'll be happy to answer any question you have. Thank you very much for watching, and stay greasy. Don't forget to put back your insulation like it was nicely. Don't try to damage it, and put your back panel or side panel back, and the front panel, and put your screws back. Thank you very much. Stay greasy. Bye. Now we will turn the button on for the lights, and we'll see. Of course, we have the covers. We will put the covers and the screws, and that's it. Thank you.